Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Beats. I got this new toy. It's a Radiance spin care system. It comes with 4 attachments. So this one is facial cleanser, exfoliating brush. It also comes with a big brush for your body. And last but not least, it comes with a pumice stone for your feet. Get all those calluses away. This thing's pretty cool. It takes 4 AA batteries. I also have a coupon code. Just put in by Lisa on the website, as you can see below here, or in the description bar below. I'll have a link for you to click on. If you use my code, you get 70% off. So it's regular $95. So you guys get it for $28.50 using my coupon code. So make sure if you get one of these to use the code. It also has like styling tools that work with the code too. So like a straightener, or like a wave wand, whatever those are called. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I use this to take off my makeup. Here we go. So I already wet this, and I'm gonna put my facial cleanser. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand. A little squeeze. Go like this. Okay, put the on button. Look at it spinning. Here you go. Put it gently. Does its thing, man. Feels so nice. Look at all my foundation coming off. It's so dirty. And it just spins around on your face. I put my makeup on my neck all the time, so that's why I'm going this far. You get the idea. I gotta rinse it because it's like super dirty. Voila! Look at all that makeup, so nasty. There you go. Nice, fresh, washed face. I'll do my eyes and brows like another time. It's still early. Don't want to scare everybody in the house cold. And there we go. All clean. Check out the video on how I did my makeup.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. Your breath sit on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. Your breath sit on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
I got cleanser in my hair. Well, I'll tell you one thing. Now it's hard as a rock. Got a big mat back there now. Great. Just washed my hair. Well, that feels lovely. I hope you liked my new updated techniques and things, and I will see you soon.